Hey guys, welcome to Technical AUK channel. Downloading, installing and setting up Python can get tricky, especially for beginner who's just getting started with Python. There are many ways to set up Python on multiple platforms, and it can get pretty complex sometimes, but to solve this issue there are many Python distribution platforms that will help you install and set up Python with just few clicks of your mouse button. So let me show you how to download and install Python and Anaconda and work with it in the easiest way possible. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I want to request you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. This is done to make sure you do not miss out on any of the upcoming videos from Technical AUK. If you enjoy this video, show us some love and do like this video. And at the end of it, make sure to comment on the video if you have any queries or any suggestions, and I'll be more than happy to respond to all of your comments. Alright guys, so for the first step, to download the Python and Anaconda.